Alright, let's see how well these terminals work. As you can see, there's a support sleeve in there. I stripped the wire, 10 gauge wire, all the way to the end there. And we will do the electrical crimp, which is crimping around the copper wire. And then there's also one more crimp